A lot different from anything I've ever seen. Just total destruction in many places.
Newnan residents continue picking up the pieces after a powerful tornado tore through the city. Governor Brian Kemp getting a close-hand look at the damage, with state and local officials declaring a state of emergency to help with what's expected to be a long recovery ahead. And Good Day's Emily Ikeda joining us live this morning from the Fox 5 Live Desk with more on what they're doing right now. Emily.
Hey there, Caitlin. This is an all-hands-on-deck response as the metro area braces for more thunderstorms today. The Coweta County school system already canceled classes for tomorrow, citing not only damage to several buildings, but also continued power and internet outages. Cleanup continues this weekend in tornado-ravaged Newnan, but an impending line of thunderstorms is intensifying the process. People scrambling to replace peeled-off roofs with tarps to salvage what belongings they can before more wind and rain roll in.
There's a lot of people that live on down these side streets that probably lost everything.
Many in the community still without internet. City officials reporting just 30% of Newnan customers have access, citing safety concerns for crews.
It is a lot different from anything I've ever seen.
Governor Kemp declaring a state of emergency in the area, deploying numerous agencies to the city.
Total destruction in many places.
Just trying to be a neighbor, help, people need help.
Fortunately, there's a lot of that going around. The Red Cross is feeding and sheltering residents in nearby hotels, 300 tornado relief kits from the Home Depot Foundation. Not to mention the hundreds of community members who dropped off donations. So many that the Newnan Police Department is putting their collection on hold. And city officials are tapping the county fairgrounds after the Newnan Center was reportedly bursting at the seams.
As far as the response goes, it'll be ongoing. We're not just here for a couple days. The state is committed to offering what assistance we can through all our resources to make sure we can help this community recover.
City officials will collect additional donations for struggling families at the Coweta County Fairgrounds from 9 to 5 today. You can learn more about giving opportunities on our website, fox5atlanta.com. At the Live Desk, I'm Emily Ikeda for Good Day Atlanta. Caitlin.